Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to record screen recording on Kali Linux. So watch the video tutorial, and before starting this video please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Now friend, let's start the video.
For recording in Kali Linux, you need to download and install a screen recorder application. So how to do? Now first of all, open the terminal and type the command sudo apt update and press the enter button from your keyboard. Wait 40 to 50 seconds. Now guys, you need to download install by terminal a screen recorder application. So screen recorder application is Simple Screen Recorder. So type the command Simple Screen Recorder and hit the enter button. Now make sure your internet is stable and fast. Wait 1 to 2 minutes. This will download and install automatically your screen recorder application. So screen recorder application name is Simple Screen Recorder. So guys, after 0 to 100, you can see here installation bar. When you complete installation bar, now don't start here, simply screen recorder. Cut the terminal and now again open the terminal. Now our screen recorder application download and install automatically from simple screen recorder command. So open the terminal again and type simple screen recorder. This is the name of the recording application and hit the enter button. Now screen recorder application open. So how to record? Simply click on continue, click on continue, click on continue, and you can see here in the top bar screen recorder or start recorder application. When you click on start recording, now your entire Kali Linux screen is on recording mode. So for how to close after your work done, simple click on post recording or save recording. Like the video and subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.